Climb inside the 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.